Over the years, I have seen many entrepreneurs enter into concrete product industry with great enthusiasm. But I have also seen why some businesses struggle. The first reason is simple. They start business without a proper feasibility study or ROI analysis. Before investing, you need to understand the market, demand, competition, and expected returns. The second mistake is choosing the wrong machine. A machine is not just an investment, it defines your production quality, efficiency, and long-term profitability. And the third reason is poor product quality. In these industries, consistency builds trust and trust brings repeat business. Another common challenge is insufficient working capital. Many businesses plan for setup costs, but they underestimate the funds needed to run operations smoothly. And finally, many manufacturers focus on production but overlook sales and marketing. No matter how good your product is, growth depends on your ability to reach the market consistently. In my experience, successful business don't happen by chance. They are built on planning, right technology, quality products, and strong market strategy.